All right, it is 5:30 in the morning. I am headed out to pick up Mason on my way to the airport. Good morning, sir. You did this morning? 5:30 is a perfect time to finish packing.
You got the face, love overrated. Yeah, you got the face, love overrated. Yeah, yeah. My love's not for me. Broken. What you gonna do?
Just waiting to board the plane and then out to Oakland. So hopefully the rest of the morning goes just as smooth as it has so far.
Where's the leak, ma'am?
Trust me, babe, I'm gonna catch my flight from you. Trust me, babe, I'm gonna catch my flight from you. Trust me, babe, I'm gonna catch my flight from you.
Alright, so just made it to the rental car. It took a little bit longer than anticipated, primarily because when I walked out to the lot, there was no car there. Also, the check-in line was super long. But, good news is, we're in a car now. I'm going to head back over to the terminal because I left Mason there to get the bags. That way I could just drive up, pick him up, because I didn't want to take all the equipment in the shuttle. Plus, apparently, everyone flying into Oakland today is all in need of rental cars. So, super busy. What should we do now, Mason? We can set up at the pool at 2, so we won't check in here until late.
Fuck around, I guess. I don't know.
Fuck around.
Go to lunch.
There's a mall over here, so we can go like find parking and walk around.
Let's go to Old Navy. Have to get the best food.
That was it.
Trust me, babe, I'm gonna catch my flight from you.
Did. I forgot my bra. Damn it. Alright, Mason.
Trust me, babe, I'm gonna catch my flight from you.
So we just made it to Berkeley's campus. We're a little bit early, about half hour or so. So we were just exploring around waiting for Greg, and then we're gonna start getting everything set up as soon as he gets here.
Thanks, bye.
We're here today at the Speaker Aquatics Complex. We're gonna set up now for some water polo games. Okay.
I'm gonna catch my flight from you.
Alright, so setup is done. We have a few troubleshooting things to go through back at the hotel. Some issues with the computer's monitor and the external monitor. But we'll get it figured out.
Trust me, babe, I'm gonna catch my flight from you. Trust me, babe, I'm gonna catch my flight from you.
Time to go get some troubleshooting done and get those videos edited and put together for tomorrow's games. Oh. Quaint little room. Look at this chair, though. This chair's exciting.
You better run, outrun my gun.
Alright, so after most of the evening, we got all the graphics loaded in and the intro video made, which is playing on the screen behind me. Surprisingly, the computer just decided to work after bringing it back, which is a little concerning because we don't know what the issue was it's good that it's not there, but if it happens tomorrow, we don't know how to fix it yet. So fingers crossed that everything works out okay. Other than that, first game tomorrow at 9:15 in the morning. Yahoo. And we have to be there at 7:30. Yahoo. So, nighty night.
We should get the wall off. Everything's condensed. They made it. It's a pretty good parking job, not gonna lie.
It's even better in the day. What do you think of doing your water polo games as Scott's company?
What?
What did you think about doing water polo games with Scott's company?
Well, this is the first time I've ever done water polo.
Oh, okay. Then what do you think about the water polo?
It was fine. It's more interesting than weightlifting.
Yeah, that's true.
I'll tell you that. You're doing more than touching it. You're putting it in the truck in the car. So Austin, how's your tunnel experience so far?
It's exciting. We're under the water.
Don't wait for it. You know the time is now. So look around, see it, breathe it in, feel it, here and now. Capture this moment, the future will never wait.
That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit long, but there was a lot to do and a lot of fun with water polo, and then getting to see some sites around San Francisco. So I don't know when the next adventure will be or what it's going to be with, but stay tuned for that video when it hits. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.